right, in this bulletin, let's get you updates of another High Court taking suo motu cognizance of the COVID crisis there. We're talking about Jammu and Kashmir High Court there. At least 18 of those issues will be taken up for hearing today. Let me go across to Gursimran now. Gursimran, where we are getting multiple pictures of hospitals there that are running short on beds and oxygen supply. Tell us all the situation there where the cognizance that has been taken up by the Jammu and Kashmir High Court on COVID crisis.
Jammu and Kashmir High Court has taken cognizance, suo motu cognizance of the cases. 18 public interest petitions were heard, and it is really important because Jammu and Kashmir High Court itself came and said that we haven't taken suo motu cognizance keeping in view the public interest litigations, but because it is really worrisome that the people are losing their life. The court has directed the Financial Commissioner Health Jammu and Kashmir government to set up nodal officers for each city so that the people who are in dire need of oxygen can get it at their doorstep. This after a petition was filed in Jammu and Kashmir High Court, and during the suo motu cognizance hearing, the Jammu and Kashmir High Court came to know that there is a dire need of oxygen, and people are running here and there for availability of oxygen, those who are in home isolation or being discharged from the hospital. Apart from this, the issue that was taken up during the hearing was the shortage of remdesivir injection, which is needed for the COVID-19 treatment. So the court has also given 2 weeks time to Financial Commissioner Health Jammu and Kashmir government to submit an affidavit with the exact details of availability of remdesivir vaccine and how it is being allotted to various hospitals, be it government or private, in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. And the court also said that we will be keeping a regular tab on the developments taking place with respect to COVID-19 situation in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. And now the case has been listed for 20th of this month, where court will once again go through the exact situation emerging in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. But this is really important, that the observation that has been made by the Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir High Court, Justice Pankaj Mittal, wherein he said that we are concerned about the life of our own people. Yes.
All right, Gursimran, thanks very much for joining us. So Jammu and Kashmir High Court is now taking suo motu cognizance of the COVID crisis there in the Union Territory itself. Let's move on now and get you another breaking update.